it. Come in, take your shoes off.
Nobody's in.
Great. Are you?
Ooh, look at Mrs. Foley.
Becca, we have to go swimming now.
Uh-oh, really?
I'm not going.
Are you taking her?
No. Nally called and said, hey, we're at the pool and the parking lot's completely covered with snow, but you can park in Summer Lake parking lot. I'm not going. We're not going. Let's not go. That's full, Ariel. Yeah, full. It's not even shut. I was on the phone and she's like, yeah, see you soon. It's about half an hour. Now, like, what the heck? Mom, should we go?
I don't know.
No, you're having a party here. You're not going.
I don't want you driving.
Dad said he'd drive us. Because I didn't want to drive.
Too dangerous to drive.
I'll drive you and you guys want to get ready to go. I'm not going to stop you from going.
I think that's just bullcrap that he can be like, okay, come now. Yeah, my mind's at
Need a bait to say it's nigga close on, nigga green one.
Is it which one's yours? Pepsi or?
Well, me or not Pepsi, in case you know.
No, no one. That's bullcrap. That's so rude.
Okay, how Pepsi?
Okay. Nigga close on, nigga Pepsi. Just pour into your cup.
I don't know.
It's actually harder than it looks, Ariel.
Look at the speed is different.
See, Mrs. Foley's doing good now.
Uh-oh, I missed it.
Are those Coke cans from like different countries? That is so fun. I love it. They're spelled wrong. They're cool.
Whoa. That's cool.
It's on.
Rebecca?
Yeah, it's hot.
Is Daddy taking you?
I don't know. Let's talk to him first. Maybe we can come late.
Until you got stuck in traffic.
You want to want Nally traffic? She's probably not going to do the whole practice. Yeah, she won't. She'll be like, I'm tired. Oh, by the way, guys, you can't get in the parking lot. You're gonna have to hike through the snow. She told us that. But you can park in Summer Lake parking lot. Great idea. I think I won.
You do?
You did? I don't think I did. It was bad.
E. You got C. You got an E.
Aww.